What's up, everybody? This is a cold start video for the 2000 Lincoln Town Car Cartier. As you can see, with the infrared thermometer, front of the engine is 68 degrees, so it is as cold as it's ever going to be because ambient temperature outside is right about the same. Do me a favor, Nana, my lovely daughter and assistant, can you please hit that key? Fire it up. No noises, smooth as can be, as smooth as you would expect a Lincoln to be. No puffs of smoke out of the exhaust. Duals sounding very nice. There you go. Enjoy.